Hello everyone. So is it ever happened to you that you got multiple clients in the same industry? Like you got multiple loyal clients who want to target on the same keywords on Google Ads or SEO. Ever, happened situation like this? Because recently someone asked me this question on my Facebook profile regarding what you are gonna do if you get multiple clients for the same niche, same industry, same location, same area, and how you're gonna manage. So he particularly asked for scenarios for Google Ads, and he particularly asked the scenario for Facebook Ads. So I'm in this video going to explain how to handle a situation like this. So let me Okay, so how I'm going to handle this? Okay, first of all, you don't need to worry at all. So sometimes it can happen, and personally, I have witnessed this that I had to go overview or gone through a similar situation, but it was years ago that we got multiple clients in the same industry, and what we did, I'm going to share it with you. For instance, I'm just going to give you an example because uh, I was running an ad for a cafe, or recently what happened was that we were selling a beauty item and we got multiple clients for the same thing. So first thing is is need to figure out on that is on to work out on the pricing. Okay, so pricing wise both were different. I'm going to discuss here two scenarios. Okay, one is of a restaurant and other is a beauty niche. Okay, so how I was able to get it sorted? Okay, because one restaurant was luxurious, more concerned regarding the price high, ambience, pricing was high. So the other was a kind of relatively economical, but again that was also luxurious. So slightly economical. Okay, when you get to know the difference between, because that is basically your theory regarding customer acquisition. So pricing is another very important theory regarding, because we have to understand the owner's psyche behind the promotion. So if you are able to understand the owner's mindset, then you can easily differentiate. Now, because I was easily able to differentiate, because one restaurant is more concerned on the theme, on the ambience, the other restaurant was more concerned on the pricing, the food. So that makes you give you an edge that both are different. Although both are trying to have the same food menu, almost the same food menu, almost on the same locations. We were running campaigns for ads on the same locations, but there was a difference. Now, again, when it comes to a beauty niche, the pricing difference was there huge, because one was trying for a cheaper price, the other was having a high price. The high price was having more SK units, more variations, more products. The lower price was have very few quantity units. So we were able to differentiate regarding over here, because let's say in case if I'm going to right over here in hair serum in US. Okay, now you have to understand the pricing formula behind this. So in case if you are have a cheap product, you can target on cheap specific keywords, and then you can work on ad positions. First ad should not be your priority when the pricing is not your competitive edge. You can also, your first position can be priority for keywords related to cheap deals, discounts, but not on ordinary keywords. On ordinary keywords, you can have your other competitor who is more quality conscious, who have more variants to show up your ad. And for the pricing relevant keywords, we can show up the ad which have more concern regarding the pricing. So that is one element over here. After the pricing, you also discuss about the themes, you also discuss about the variations, and the class, better say the class you're going to target, customer class. Okay, now the class thing is again can define your whole theory regarding your marketing strategy, because you also need to understand the rich client or the client who is targeting the elite class have more budget to put on, as compared to a client who does not have a who is not exactly as rich. So that owner has a competitive edge, that he is willing to spend more money on creating more local pages for SEO, getting out the reviews out, get the more influencers to their shop or their store, or their restaurant. So that is another advantage or another part of your strategy. So you can handle a client's multiple not without any issue, because ad positioning are also there. Even if you do not have a competitor, someone has to bid on the second spot and someone has to bid on the third spot. You never know which ad position is going to work well for you. For some clients, ad position 1 works well. For some clients, the ad position 2 works well, and for some ad position 3 works well for the same keyword. So you are not sure that which ad position is going to work well for you. But for instance, if you're like for this keyword, okay, here $30, here $20, because can work well. The first ad should have a higher price, the second can have a lower price. We can segregate the ads based on the pricing, and the customers have different priorities. The person who is more concerned regarding price is also less concerned regarding feature, and the person who is more concerned about price is also more concerned about the features or the value he is getting. So both clients have their different opinion, and we can work simultaneously because we have worked it. So I suggested you can also work in that without any issue. I hope you like the answer, my answer. And if you have any further queries, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.